Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain why the Ottoman Empire fell. The once mighty Ottoman Empire, which spanned centuries, eventually succumbed to a combination of factors. We'll explore how internal weaknesses, such as a struggling economy and ineffective leadership, gradually eroded its power. Additionally, the rise of nationalism among its many ethnic groups created significant instability. Understanding these elements is key to grasping its eventual dissolution. Internally, the empire faced a series of debilitating issues. Many sultans after the Golden Age were less effective, leading to a decline in central authority. Corruption became a pervasive problem, weakening the state's ability to govern and collect taxes efficiently. Furthermore, the Ottoman economy, once a powerhouse, failed to modernize, falling behind European industrialization and accumulating substantial debt. These internal cracks made the empire vulnerable. Beyond its borders, the Ottoman Empire faced relentless external pressures. European powers, driven by imperial ambitions, constantly chipped away at Ottoman territories. Major military defeats, such as those in the Balkan Wars, resulted in the loss of vast lands and resources. The empire's military, despite reforms, often found itself outmatched by the technologically superior and better organized armies of its European rivals, accelerating its decline. The First World War delivered the ultimate blow to the already weakened empire. Aligning with the Central Powers, the Ottomans suffered devastating losses, leading to its eventual partition by the victorious Allies. This paved the way for the Turkish War of Independence and the establishment of the modern Republic of Turkey. The empire's collapse reshaped the Middle East, creating new nations and enduring geopolitical complexities. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.